I am going to be talking about engines and what is the difference between diesel and gas engines. As you can see, this is a diesel where a piston is at and all the other pistons are behind it. You have a one turbocharger right here, and so this is, as I just said, this is the diagram, and this is one of the diesel piston, like out of a semi or a big truck that has diesel or something, but it's a lot different than gas. If you look over on the left side, that is a turbocharger. What it does, every diesel has to have one. It pumps a lot of air into the piston, which the fuel injector spits fuel, and then the glow plug spits like a spark, and then it ignites it, and that's how you turn on your engine and keeps your car running. Because if you look in the diagram, you'll see it has no spark plug. Why, you may ask? Because it's supposed to be longer lasting. Engine is diesel and the most cost friendly, but not the most air friendly. See that. I don't know why I didn't put that in. I've seen it on gas cars. They release white smoke, which is a whole lot better than what diesel releases. The cause is, and this is like something that I just got off the internet because it was.
Could you just give us a summary?
So the reason why diesels produce black smoke is because because the exhaust of a typical diesel engine contains an elemental carbon soot. That's what it's called. Semi-volatile organic hydrocarbons, sulfides, primarily sulfuric acid, and water vapor. I don't really know how to explain that. It's complicated.
Yeah.
And this is how a gas engine works. I can explain this a little bit better than what I did on the diesel. So this is the spark plug right here. The heat, so this is the crankshaft, this is the transfer port, and then this is the petrol air mixture. And the piston goes up, and then with all the gas and the fuel mixed in, and then it ignites right up here, and then it comes down, and then this is over here, that's where the gas releases, and all of the current comes down, and this is the new way of motor transportation, but they are wrong. The newest way is electric cars, and cars do produce steam, not smoke. This is the most air efficient than diesel. Thank you.
Questions for Joseph?
Any questions?
I don't really running on motor on gas engine and diesel.
Yeah.
But what was it like? What were you trying to prove? Is it better for the society?
They're both equally good because I wasn't really thinking up here because I said this is more cost friendly, but this is better for the environment, but the diesel is supposed to be longer lasting, so I'm just like trying to, I don't really know, but I just figured it'd be cool.
Do you know why diesel motors can go more than gas motors?
Yes, I do. Because of this turbocharger. It produces more torque into the engine, and which pumps more air, and any other questions?